37th day since the importation of coronavirus COVID-19 in the country, and the number of infections continues to soar. Saturday afternoon, and the government was confirming 16 more cases, a number the Ministry of Health says was able to capture due to the country's ability to now test more samples.
Kenya is on red alert. The numbers are rising steadily. In the last 24 hours, we have doubled our testing capacity to test 1,115 samples. Out of these, 16 have tested positive for the coronavirus disease. We are now 262, the number of confirmed cases in our country.
Health Cabinet Secretary Mutahi Kagwe adding that the rise in the number of new cases is a wake-up call to the country to intensify mass testing.
You'll have noticed that the higher the samples, the higher the number of cases. This speaks both to the urgency to test Kenyans in the targeted areas I have said, and for every Kenyan to assume that the person next to you is a contact who could be carrying the disease.
Meanwhile, the government says 15 of the newly confirmed cases are Kenyans, 12 among the total number being men and 4 women, all of them having no travel history to the affected countries.
And none of those cases are in our quarantine centers. 9 from Nairobi, 5 from Mombasa, and as I said, 1 from Homa Bay County, each between 23 and 84 years old. And I can also add here that the 84 years old was a person who also believed in treating people via herbal medicines, herbalist.
Even so, the ministry says Kenya has made strides in terms of managing those infected, and now a total of 60 people have been treated and discharged after 7 more people were discharged Saturday.
I am also sad to say we have lost an additional 2 more patients, bringing the number of those dead to 12. And I want to send our condolences to the families of the 2 victims.
And when it comes to distribution of aid, out of the infected 262, the government says 8 are 14 years and below, 70 are between the age of 15 and 29, 164 who are the majority are between the age of 30 and 59, and 20 who are above the age of 60 years. The Ministry of Health further adding that 70% of the country's confirmed cases are from Nairobi. Kenyans have been urged to adhere to good nutrition, especially during this pandemic, to help their bodies fight infections.
Nutrition, hydration, and physical activity increase our immunity, and therefore people are able to overcome the disease better.
A warning has also been issued to unscrupulous businessmen purporting to sell Kenyans products to help them boost their immunity, calling on Kenyans to get any public health information from recommended sites like the World Health Organization and the Ministry of Health. Gloria Milimu, K24 TV.